Hello children, today we are going to learn about the new chapter quadrilaterals. Okay. What's a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral means four-sided polygons are called quadrilaterals. For example, ABCD is a quadrilateral. It has four sides, four angles, four vertices and two diagonals. Here sides AB, BC, CD and AD. Angles, angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. Vertices A, B, C, D. Then diagonals AC and BD are two diagonals. Next, angle sum property of a quadrilateral. Angle sum property of a quadrilateral means the sum of four angles is equal to 360 degree. So, the sum of the measures of four angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. That means angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D equal to 360 degree. Next one, different types of quadrilaterals. First one, trapezium. What is a trapezium? One pair of sides are parallel. That means PQ and S are parallel. PS and Q are non-parallel sides. Here non-parallel sides are equal, then this type of trapeziums are called isosceles trapezium. Okay. Here trapezium means what? One pair of parallel sides. Non-parallel sides are equal, that type of trapeziums are called isosceles trapezium. Next, a kite. Consecutive sides are equal, that means AB equal to AD. Next, BC equal to CD or DC. AB equal to AD. Next, BC equal to DC. Here, one diagonal perpendicular bisect another one. That means angle BOA and angle DOA are 90 degree. OB equal to OD. OB equal to OD. But OA not equal to OC. Angle B equal to measure of angle B equal to measure of angle D, but measure of angle A not equal to measure of angle C. This is a kite. Next one, parallelogram. This is a parallelogram ABCD. Here what type of quadrilaterals are called parallelograms? Opposite sides are parallel. This type of quadrilaterals are called parallelograms. AB parallel to DC, AD parallel to BC. Properties. First property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. Equal and parallel. Second property, opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Third property, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. Fourth one, a diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two congruent triangles. A diagonal of a parallelogram divides into two congruent triangles. Two congruent triangles. Fifth one, diagonals bisect each other. First property, opposite sides are equal and parallel. AB equal to DC, AB parallel to DC. Next opposite side, AD equal to BC, AD parallel to BC. Next opposite angles are equal. Angle A equal to angle C, angle B equal to angle D. Adjacent angles are supplementary. That means angle A plus angle B. Angle A plus angle B are adjacent angles. The sum is equal to 180 degree. Because AD and BC are parallel lines, these two angles are interior angles on the same side of the transversal. That means AB acts as a transversal. Angle A plus angle B equal to 180 degree. Same as angle B plus angle C also 180 degree. Angle C plus angle D equal to 180 degree. Angle D plus angle A equal to 180 degree. Next, a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. For example, one diagonal BD. This diagonal divides into two congruent triangles. For example, ABD and CDB are congruent triangles. Next, diagonals bisect each other. OA equal to OC, OB equal to OD. These are the properties of parallelograms. Next, some special parallelograms, a rhombus, rectangle and square. These are the parallelograms. First, rhombus. It has all the properties of parallelograms. Here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. All sides are equal. Okay, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. Here its diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. That means diagonals bisect at 90 degree. Diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. Diagonals perpendicular bisect each other. Angle AOD equal to angle COD equal to angle COB equal to angle AOB equal to 90 degree. Next, rectangle. What is a rectangle? A parallelogram with each angle is 90 degree. It's called a rectangle. Opposite sides are equal. Okay, PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR. Diagonals also equal. PQ equal to SR, PS equal to QR, angle P equal to 90 degree. Next, PR equal to QS. PR equal to QS. Next, square. It has all the properties of a rhombus and rectangle. So all sides are equal. Each angle is 90 degree. Diagonals AC equal to BD. These are the three types of parallelograms. First one, rhombus, rectangle, square.